Hello, Bible champions. Welcome to Bible Brain Text. In today's challenge, I've put together 20 amazing Bible quiz questions to help test your knowledge of the Word. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel to help us reach more persons with the knowledge of God's Word. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. How many days did God create the heavens and the earth? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 7. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. 6. Genesis 2:2. Question 2. Who was the father of Jesus on earth? A. Peter. B. Joseph. C. John. D. James. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Joseph. Matthew 1:14. Question 3. Who prayed inside a big fish? A. Peter. B. Jonah. C. Paul. D. Andrew. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Jonah. Jonah chapter 2, verse 1. Question 4. Who baptized Jesus? A. Peter. B. John the Baptist. C. James. D. Philip. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. John the Baptist. Matthew 3:13-17. Question 5. Who was known as the wisest king? A. David. B. Saul. C. Solomon. D. Hezekiah. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Solomon. 1 Kings 3:12. Question 6. What did God create on the first day? A. Animals. B. Light. C. Trees. D. People. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Light. Genesis 1:3. Question 7. Which animal tempted Eve in the Garden of Eden? A. Lion. B. Serpent. C. Dove. D. Camel. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Serpent. Genesis 3:1. Question 8. Who interpreted Pharaoh's dreams? A. Moses. B. Joseph. C. Daniel. D. Aaron. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Joseph. Genesis 41:25. Question 9. Who denied Jesus 3 times? A. John. B. Peter. C. James. D. Matthew. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Peter. Matthew 26:75. Question 10. What was the first plague in Egypt? A. Frogs. B. Darkness. C. Water turned to blood. D. Hail. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Water turned to blood. Exodus 7:20. Question 11. Who shut the mouths of the lions? A. Daniel. B. An angel of God. C. King Darius, D. Moses. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. An angel of God. Reading Daniel chapter 6, verse 22. Question 12. What was the name of Moses' brother? A. Caleb, B. Aaron, C. Joshua, D. Eli. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Aaron. Reading Exodus chapter 4, verse 14. Question 13. How many people were on Noah's Ark? A. 6, B. 7, C. 8, D. 10. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. 8. 1 Peter 3:20. Question 14. Who climbed a sycamore tree to see Jesus? A. Bartimaeus, B. Zacchaeus, C. Nicodemus, D. Matthew. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Zacchaeus. Luke 19:4. Question 15. Who was the first Christian martyr? A. Stephen, B. James, C. Peter, D. Paul. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Stephen. Acts 7:59-60. Question 16. How many books are in the Bible? A. 39, B. 27, C. 66, D. 70. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. 66. 2 Timothy 3:16. Question 17. On which day did Jesus rise from the dead? A. Friday, B. Saturday, C. Sunday, D. Monday. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Sunday. Matthew 28 verses 1-6. Question 18. Who betrayed Jesus for 30 pieces of silver? A. Peter, B. Judas Iscariot, C. Thomas, D. Matthew. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Judas Iscariot. Matthew 26 verses 14-16. Question 19. What was the first miracle Jesus performed? A. Healed a blind man. B. Walked on water. C. Turned water into wine. D. Fed the 5,000. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Turned water into wine. John chapter 2 verses 1-11. Question 20. Who was the wife of Isaac? A. Rachel, B. Leah, C. Rebecca, D. Sarah. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Rebecca. Genesis chapter 24 verse 67.
Congratulations, you've come to the end of this quiz challenge. Please do well to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Bible quizzes. See you in the next one.